Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be giving away this book right here. All right. So this is for the 1 year anniversary of DAX for Humans. So I'm giving away a copy of it. It's one of the original print runs of it before printing and distribution was taken over by Pact. So there's not a ton of those out there. So anyway, I've run through this post and there were 35. I counted 35 comments on this post. So what I'm going to do is go in here and say new measure. Measure is ran between 1 and 35. And then we can put a card visual on this page. We can put the measure in there, and it's 6. We're going to count it down from the top. Oops. Well, you can see I play Minecraft. Let's go back to this guy. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Michael Bartholomew. I can never pronounce people's last names. Anyway, this guy. Congratulations. I'll post this on the LinkedIn thread, and I'll reach out to you on LinkedIn. And you can you can give me your address, and I'll ship you the book, man. Congratulations. Thanks, sir. I wish I had enough to give away to everybody, but I don't. So I've got two other spare copies left. One's a hardcover, and one is another copy just like the one I'm giving away, the paperback, and also an original print version. So I'll be giving those away. I don't know when, but at some point. So that's all I had for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.